Are you looking for the best air compressor oil? In this video, we will break down the top 4 air compressor oil on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Royal Purple 01513 Synthetic Air Compressor Lubricant. The most popular full synthetic oil brand among racers and auto enthusiasts all over the world is Royal Purple. All of their products deliver optimal performance, and the Royal Purple 01513 oil is not an exception. Equivalent to SAE 30, this additive generates extra strength, helping to extend your engine's life. The secret behind its exceptional performance is Royal Purple's signature Synerlic additive, giving it a higher viscosity. Not only does it eliminate all extraneous annoying engine sounds, but it also helps your machine run much quieter and cooler. That way, the Royal Purple 01513 Synfilm Recip High Performance Oil is a 360-degree solution to improve your compressor's performance. At number 2. DEWALT D55001 Synthetic Compressor Oil. This 30-weight air compressor oil gives a smooth starting even in low temperatures. The high lubrication capacity of this oil keeps the friction in the pump low. Therefore, pump temperature doesn't rise too high. You will notice a significant temperature reduction in the pump temperature after using this oil compared to other oils. Low friction and temperature reduction increase the pump life by resisting the wear. It also increases the efficiency of the compressor. It also reduced the carbon buildup in the discharge valve. As a result, the compressor will take less time to build up the pressure as it increases efficiency. DEWALT D55001 Synthetic Compressor Oil has a longer life, about 200 hours. It can also withstand high temperature. Therefore, if you need to run your air compressor continuously for a long time, this is the best synthetic air compressor oil to use. At number 3. Ingersoll-Rand 38,436,721. This Ingersoll and compressor oil can be used in all weather conditions and even in extreme cold. The compressor lubricant includes special components, which prevent carbon buildup and reduce unit's wear. The switching to the Ingersoll-Rand synthetic air compressor oil appeared to be very easy because all I had to do was to clean the crankcase from the old oil and just pour the new one. The stuff helps reduce the compressor's noise and also contributes to cooling. The manufacturer says that the oil is made for small reciprocating compressors, but it greatly fits big devices due to its thick film and versatility. The high viscosity level facilitates the reliable lubrication and oil penetration even into the smallest gaps. At number 4. Powermate PXP01800084 Air Compressor Oil. Powermate PXP01800084 is a full synthetic air compressor oil. There are good reasons to prefer a fully synthetic oil over synthetic blend oils. As Powermate claims, using this oil can start a compressor in 10 degrees colder than regular blended synthetic oil. It also gives excellent performance at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Another fantastic thing about this full synthetic air compressor oil is its flash and pour point. The flash point is 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Therefore, this oil will not burn quickly due to the heat of the pump. The pouring temperature is -40 degrees Fahrenheit. That means the performance of this oil remains the same in the cold. The lubrication capacity of this compressor is incredible. It gives 25% more protection from wearing. One thing to note is the ISO number of Powermate PXP01800084SP46, which means it is a 20-weight air compressor oil. As a result, there will be less carbon buildup. The sealing capability also increases the efficiency of the compressor. Therefore, we only recommend this oil for 20-weight oil supporting compressors and cold temperature operation.